Hello, I'm Bruno Thibault. I'm the project director for the construction of the Lisbon International School. I want to update the parents and let them know that we are making a great progress on the school. Walking throughout the building, you can see the spaces coming to life. The classrooms, the common spaces, the outdoor areas are taking shape beautifully. We are committed to creating an exceptional school for your children. We work closely with our construction team to ensure the high quality and the safety standards. It's incredible to see our vision come to reality. This will be a fantastic space for students. We thank you for your trust. I'm Bruno Thibault, and looking forward to welcoming you in person.